Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can do neon to text in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, PR Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, shared drives, shared with me, private folder, and PA Games. Right here in the center of your screen, you're gonna find New Project, Open from Computer, Templates, and Install Photopea. So right now, I'm gonna click on a new project. Once you click on New Project, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find some templates. And here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find the option to choose a name for your project. For example, I'm gonna name it tutorial. Right here, you're gonna find width and also height and DPI. And here you can choose a background color for your image. And right here in the bottom, you can choose a size for your image. For example, I'm gonna go to screen and I'm gonna choose this size. Once you do that, go ahead and click on create. And as you can see guys, once you click on create, you're gonna be right here in this page. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your image. So right now, in order to add a text, I'm gonna click on the type tool. Once you click on type tool, just click anywhere and then you can type anything that you want. For example, I'm gonna type tutorial and right now I'm gonna select this text and I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. From here, as you can see guys, you can choose a color for your text. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, click on OK, and then you can choose any fonts that you want from here. As you can see guys, you can choose any font that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. If you want to import some other fonts from outside, you can just click right here, and then here you're gonna find load font. If you click on it, as you can see guys, you can choose a font from your computer. So you can download any neon font if you want from outside and then import it right here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.